Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best hydraulic crimping tool for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best hydraulic crimping tool for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to serious electrical work, having the right tools is everything. The AWG 12-2/0 Best Hydraulic Crimping Toolkit is designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand power, precision, and convenience. Whether you're installing heavy-duty cables or doing vehicle wiring, this kit offers everything you need to get the job done efficiently, built for versatility. This hydraulic crimping tool is compatible with wire sizes from American wire gauge 12-20, covering a wide range of projects. The kit includes 9 interchangeable dies, 12, 10, 8, 6, and 5, 4, 2, 1/0, and 2/0 AWG, to fit different cable sizes perfectly, ensuring strong, secure crimps every time. With a simple no-slip operation, it reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for repetitive work. Durable and heavy-duty. Made with high-strength steel and a robust hydraulic mechanism, this toolkit is built to last through tough jobs. The solid construction means you can apply maximum crimping force without worrying about damage or wear. It also comes with a sharp cable cutter, making it easy to trim thick wires cleanly and safely before crimping. All-in-one convenience. The included gloves protect your hands during operation, and the compact molded carrying case keeps all components organized and easy to transport. Whether you're working on site or in your workshop, you'll have everything neatly in one place. Why choose this kit? Ease of use. Hydraulic action requires less physical effort than manual crimpers. Wide application. Ideal for battery cables, welding cables, power wires, and electrical installations. Safety first. Gloves and clean cable cuts help maintain professional safety standards. Great value. High-end performance without the high-end price tag. AWG 12-2/0. Best Hydraulic Crimping Toolkit is a smart investment for anyone who regularly works with heavy cables. It combines quality, versatility, and affordability into a single package. Whether you're a professional electrician or a serious DIYer, this kit will make your work faster, easier, and more reliable. Thanks for watching the video.